If you want to disable the vertical scroll bar in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. This is a quick little setting that can make your Word interface feel a bit cleaner and less distracting, especially if you prefer a more minimal workspace while typing, editing, or reviewing documents. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can turn it off in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look up at the top left corner and click on File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can access Word's main settings and options. From there, scroll all the way down and click on Options. This is where Word keeps a lot of its customization settings, including display and editing preferences. When the Word Options window opens, click on Advanced from the list on the left side. This section contains a wide range of advanced settings for how Word behaves and looks. Don't worry, you only need one specific area for this tutorial. On the right side, scroll down until you reach the Display section. This is the area where Word controls certain on-screen interface elements, including scroll bars. Now look carefully for the option that says Show Vertical Scroll Bar. You should see a checkbox next to it. To disable the vertical scroll bar, simply uncheck that box. Once you've done that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Word will apply the setting immediately and the vertical scroll bar should no longer be visible. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just follow the same steps and check the box again. That makes this a very easy setting to reverse whenever you need it. So again, the path is File, Options, Advanced, then scroll to the Display section and uncheck Show Vertical Scroll Bar. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled the vertical scroll bar in Word. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.